Time to style our beautiful lived-in curtain fringe. First, we prep beautiful Ada with Repower Cure Silk Plumping Cream. This stuff is amazing. It has keratin, it has protein, and it has elastane. And when you mix it with the dryer and give it heat, it plumps up the cuticle and just gives you this nice, beautiful polished finish along with some volume. And you guys, I cannot wait to show you the Veris Air Cube. That's right. You guys, this little power punch has so much power and energy and heat that I'm going to show you how good this thing works. And this is how loud it gets. One quick button, we can talk over it. This is at its highest setting. Unbelievable, right, Ada? But you guys, I'm seriously obsessed with this. We're going to show you how to do a 3 simple setting fringe technique, the blow dry technique for the fringe. And we're also going to use Amplify the Stylist. That's right, the setting section eclipse. Perfect size for them. So let's get right to it, you guys. We've got our first section right over here. We're going to use the Veris 4 bristle. We're going to take our first section, bring everything in this, get some nice tension, and we're just going to dry everything back. But first we're going to over direct towards the hairline. This thing is powerful. We're going to get that root lifted a little bit. And now we're going to over direct it and then roll it opposite the hairline. We're starting to create some movement, but we're also creating shape away from the face. And then we're going to end with a cool shot. And it really gets a cool shot fast. So now we're at a cool shot, full control, and bam, one button down and we are good to go. So we have our first section. We are going to roll it back just with a big over-directed offsetting pin curl using our clip and doing a nice little set. 2 more sections like this and then we are going to show you the method.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second, I won't change my mind.
We're going to cool shot. And just roll. Alright you guys, now we're going to just drop our guide. We're going to add some dry boost. Love this stuff. Little goes a long way. And we're just going to use our fingers and really let this fringe come to life on its own. What a beautiful, you can tell already opened her up. And we're just going to use our fingers to manipulate it to the direction that we want. The cool thing about this fringe is it's long enough where if she wants an off-center parting, she easily could do that. And I'm just grabbing the fringe and the sides together and just bringing them back. But you can just see this beautiful fringe open up her face. Same thing on this side, just grab that whole side, roll it the opposite way with your hands. Give her a quick little peek here. And just a nice little easy way to style our curtain fringe. So what do you guys think? Hope you guys like this technique.